Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at how to create a table. When you want to create a table in HTML, you got to understand some certain things. Now we have the table tag, and then inside the table we have a row like this is the table, and inside this table we have 3 rows: row 1, row 2, and row 3. Okay. Each row contains what's known as table data, and the number of table data determines the columns. For instance, this is table data, 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 table data, table data, table data, like that. So 1 unit of the table is called a table data. Okay, that's TD, and the table data is the same thing as a cell, so you can call this a cell or you call it a table data. Alright, so this T arrow means table row. Now we also have TH, which means table header. Alright, so to create a table, now we're gonna follow this simple format here. I want to create a table here for my work. Where am I gonna put it now? Okay, let me just put it underneath this, before this horizontal row. Okay, so okay, where is it? Okay, this is the horizontal row, so I'm going to put my table right there. So I'm going to use the table tag and then close the table tag, close table. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to insert my table row. That's the first row. I'm going to close table row. So inside this table row I'm going to have several. Remember, for our work we're going to have 3 table rows. That's 1, 2, 3. So this is my 3 table rows. Now in these 3 table rows we've got 4 table datas. Okay, for 4 table data. So I'm going to get the first table data, CD, close CD. Alright, so I'm going to copy this now, and second, third, fourth. Alright, so this 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I think I'm going to copy this guy now, and to make my work easy I'm just going to paste it. Copy this now and replace this guy here, because this is not complete. So to make my work easy. Alright, so the first table data, which is the first cell, take note not to type in here because this is not the CD, this is not the cell, but the cell is this place in between the open tag and the close tag of the table data. Alright, so I'm going to type name there. So I'm going to type age for the second one. Take note not to type it here because, as you can see, this is a closing tag. Okay, so this is the start tag and this is the end tag of the cell 2. So I'm going to type age here. So do age. So this place, marital, that's marital status, and then the last but not the least there is position. So I'm just going to increase this guy so we see everything clearly. Now the first name is okay, the second name is okay, the age of okay is 27, and then the marital status for this person is single, and then the position is MD, that's the managing director. Alright, so the second name is John, the age is 50, and then the marriage status, are you married, a single, or divorced, or searching? Married. So the table data for that's a position is marketer. It's a marketer. So this is our table. So I'm just going to do a quick save now and then refresh our work to see the preview of it. Alright, this is our table, looking so ordinary there. So what I'm going to do right now is to see how we're going to format it with the attributes of table. So Right in here I'm going to impute some attributes. So the first attribute I'm going to impute is the border attribute. So I'm going to say border equal to 1. So attribute name is equal to quoted values. So I'm going to save my work there and refresh. Alright, so this looks more like a table right now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to try to increase the weight of our table. So I'm going to say weight equal to 500. Typing the wrong thing. Alright, so we got it right now. Weight equal to 500. So this increases. Okay, now let's see how. Let's try something now. TH equals TH. What's the difference? Alright, wrong code in there, so I'm gonna leave it now. I'll get back to it again. There's something that's missing there. Okay, I got it right. Okay, let me impute the beige color to make this difference. Color equal what color am I gonna use now? Beige color equal blue. Alright, blue. So now I'm adding a beige color for the first table row, so make it unique. Alright, so this looks more fanciful. But the entire table, this is a table, I'm gonna give it beige color equal yellow. The entire table is gonna be yellow, but the first one is gonna be blue. So you could even give just a single cell the beige color. So I don't want to do all of that because it looks so crazy to me. Alright, so this is how to insert a table in our work. Now you could go as far as changing the height of the table, just like you change the weight. So you could say height equal 200. That's 200 pixels. Alright, or you might say, okay, I don't want a height for this one. I want a height for just the first row alone. Okay, just 200. 200 just too big, so I'm gonna use 100. Okay, so you say this first row is big and the others are regular. So, but I don't need this kind of crazy work. Doesn't make sense at all. Alright, so this is how to insert the table into our work. Alright, so next thing I'm going to show you right now is how to work with fonts. Now there are times you might want to do something crazy, like maybe change the font's color of just this guy, or you want to make this guy big without making use of the heading attributes. Now if I make this guy big using the h1 attributes, then everything after it is going to come down. You understand? But I don't want that. Okay, I want to maintain the state of this text, right, like this. Or let's say for instance I want to just change the color of these two guys here and leave every other thing intact. You understand? So that's only possible with a font tag. So in the next video I'm going to talk about the font tag, so just sit back, relax and listen.